Okay, so this is the Modern Witch Tarot by Lisa Sterle. It is also a Rider-Waite deck. It is basically a modern take on the traditional Rider-Waite cards. I think it just has the 78 cards. Let's look here. Yes, so 78 cards also with a booklet. Okay, so let's check it out. The Magician is gorgeous. So this one opens from the bottom, so that's kind of different from my other decks. Look at that book in there. It's an actual book. Ooh. Oh, what's that? Junk. Don't need that. Oh my gosh. Look at this book. Oh, too cool. That is awesome. Wow. I love a good book. This is really cool. Okay, again, I will just flip through these. Oh, I love the backing too. So these two pictures, like the Magician and the Ten of Swords, this is what really pulled me in. So I'm excited to see the rest of the deck. You are a badass being full of life, love, and possibilities. Through this deck, may you find the path to your best self. Nice. That's gonna have to go. That's gonna have to go up here somewhere. I like that. There we go. Okay. Okay, so then this is the extra, the everything is fine. I love this so much. I think I think this is so relatable. Like, on a scale of 1 to 10, this is 12 relatable. So this was the Modern Witch Tarot. I love the colors. I love the imagery. It's very gender fluid. The images are very modern and powerful. There's interracial couples, people of all body sizes. I really like it. They did so well with this. I highly recommend it. I really enjoy it, and I think that I will be offering some readings in our tarot group. So just watch for those, and I will see you guys back for the next unboxing.